Good morning, world. Mom, I love and miss you. Smooches. So as you just saw, I woke up early this morning to go to class. I was excited for my actual first class here in Ghana. And I wrote down in my little handy dandy notebook that it was at 8:30 a.m. when actually I should have wrote down that it was at 1:30 p.m. So I woke up, went to the botany department, which is clear across campus. So it's a nice early morning. I mean, early to bed, early to rise. Makes one heck of a kind. Can you believe this? Now I show up at 1:30 and there's no class. There's like a meeting there. I don't know what the meeting was about, but I stood there for like 10 minutes outside the door trying to figure out if it was Plants and Civilization. And it was because it was so vague. But it's not. I met the professor who's going to teach me. She seems nice. But yeah, now I'm going to go to the mall.
Like, there are taxis here.
Yeah?
Like, in the street. Like, they're everywhere.
Pause for a second. Do you want to catch that chicken and cook it for Aubrey's birthday today? Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Just poop. Okay.
Why didn't you catch the chicken?
Because it pooped.
That she'll just come outside. Kevin can run around here, hide, and then dump it on here, and then we all start singing.
Of course it's me.
That sounds good. Okay?
She's not gonna like me.
Yeah. Okay, did you hear that?
He should be the filming. I don't know why he's with me.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Yeah, you should trust someone else with the camera.
Yeah, I will.
Okay. They ate that really fast. She knows. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
I knew I shouldn't have done it. Look what he did to the sign.
That was our plan.
Joke.
Come on.
Oh, come on.
Come on.
Introduce yourself, please.
My name is Evans.
And you're the man. You're an awesome pal, Evans. It's almost
16.
It's 8:16 already? 8:16. Aubrey's birthday is today. I almost killed her with a bucket of water.
Oh,
When I was ponding her.
that was so bad.
Because in Ghana, it's a tradition on the birthday to pour water on the birthday celebrant. And I was chosen to pour water on Aubrey. And I tried to surprise her and do it fast, as you can see in the footage that was taken of it. And it slipped out of my hands and I almost killed her. And I'm really sorry. To all the family of Aubrey and her friends, she's still okay. I can prove it. I'm really sorry though. Like, she's a great girl. I'm really sorry. It'll never happen again. I'll never throw any buckets on her ever again. I'm sorry.
That was so mean, guys.
Hey, Kevin. It's
birthday
Again.
girl. Are you coming?
It's Aubrey's birthday.
Can't be like
20 years old, baby.
I'm supposed to film this for your family, right?
Yeah. Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. Hi, Melissa. Hi, Bonzo.
Dad, oh my
Hi,
God,
Melissa.
It's Baindu's mom too, because she's my roommate.
Yeah, because we have the same.
We have the same mom.
We're like twins.
Look at us.
We're twins.
We have the same mom for
We grew
sure.
up together.
Yep.
We're twins.
Secretly, we're like that show Tiara and Tomorrow.
I bet they really hate each other.
Is he black? He's having an identity crisis at the age of what? How old?
20.
He's having an identity crisis at the age of 20. He's like, am I black?
You're black and you're
Yo, wait.
I know it's tough. It's hard.
Wait, you know the person, Dear White People, the YouTube video. This person like, am I black enough to be president of the Black Student Union? That's Kevin.
That probably is
You
me.
don't even know what. Okay. So world, dear world, Kevin is a black man. The 1/8 rule, because he is has at least 1/8 of black in him. He is a black person.
Is that really?
Yeah, that used to be a rule.
Wait, can I record you, Kevin?
Yeah, let's do it.
No one ever records you. Okay. Wait, I can't walk
Yeah, no one
backwards.
records me.
Okay, keep talking.
Don't fall in the O'Brien trap.
Look at this O'Brien trap. Look at it. That is a big O'Brien trap. Look at Kevin's shadow.
100 O'Briens. I love Nicki Minaj.
hate that.
You love Nicki Minaj. We got that on camera.
I love her.
And she's crazy.
She's crazy,
Her hair looks weird.
and if I met her, I probably wouldn't like her, but I love her.
No, she makes black people.
Wait, say that again. I love Nicki Minaj.
I love Nicki Minaj.
Nice.
Nice. He told us.
Okay, can we just talk about this? Yeah. It is my birthday, and the cab driver
doesn't know where
says,
the beach is.
"Oh yeah, sure, I'll take you to Tuala Beach, 12 seating, no problem." So we're driving and driving. He's like, "Hey, do you guys know where Tuala Beach is?" No way, we're paying him 10 to 12 seats. I'm thinking 10 or less. This is the third time we've asked for directions.
I hate that this camera can't like pick up anything in the dark. This is like great footage what I'm seeing right now.
Do you need a light? I have a flashlight, for real. Wait, look at this perfect nose. You want to see it? Let's tell ghost story. Somebody else
Do it.
do like a buddy
Show
dive where
Becca
somebody else does all your... What? It's really bright. I want to blind her. Blind me. That's really... Ow, my eyeball.
I'm not here right now. Well, I'll film it. I'll film it. Say something beautiful.
Something beautiful.
Do a daily.
What does that mean?
I don't know, it's Norwegian.
Oh, that's why she thought it was funny.
And she laughed every time I said it.
Yeah.
Dodo.
Yeah,
I
he
don't
looked
really
really
care.
tired.
He has a nice fluffy mattress, and we get these stupid things.
Fluffy mattress.
Do you guys have key cards for your dorms?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, what is key cards?
One of them.